Hello guys, in this quick video, let's discuss how to delete Facebook account permanently. First, you need to connect to your internet and you have also Facebook application installed in your mobile device. Then open your Facebook application and make sure that you log in to the account that you want to delete. And then tap the three horizontal lines here at the upper right portion. Then tap the gear icon at the top. In the account option, just choose personal and account information. Then account ownership and control, choose this or tap this option. Then we need to deactivate and delete our account, just tap this. Then as you can see here, there are two options, deactivate account or delete an account. Since we will delete an account, then we will choose this option. Just tap continue to account deletion. Then here, before you delete your account, there are options here or reasons why you will delete your account. I'll choose this first option. Then just continue to account deletion. Here in permanently deleting an account, there are options here to keep Messenger or deactivate instead, save posts in your archive, download your information, and transfer your information. In deleting your account, you would be able to reactivate it and you will have only 30 days to cancel your account deletion. After this, you will be able to access your account or retrieve any information from it. And your profile, photos, videos, and everything else you've added will be permanently deleted. As well, you're no longer able to use Facebook Messenger. Okay, if you want to delete and you're sure to delete your account, just tap the delete account button here. Okay, that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you a lot, and keep on following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.